Hi, my name is Ron Wood, founder of Pricing Insight and Pricing University. I'd like to talk to you about why you should avoid flat percentage price increases. Every company at some point needs to implement a price increase. It usually starts with a spreadsheet and a deadline and an issuance such as we'll take a 4.5% increase across the board. It sounds simple, but here's what actually happens. A flat percentage price increase is pushed through across the board. This then sets off a chain reaction of events that results in margin erosion. In practice, products that were already overpriced become even harder to sell. Sales reps start discounting to close sales. Not officially, of course. They bundle, they add extras, but some even sign off on unauthorized rebates. You end up losing margin on the deals you do win. At the same time, lower margin products or services that were underpriced remain underpriced. The net result? Lost volume on one end and lost profit on the other. The most dangerous part? The company believes the 4.5% price increase will actually net a 4.5% gain and assumes the job is done. But when you look closer, you may see that many of the planned gains are given up with increased levels of discounting and concessions. In some cases, we've seen some companies go backwards in margins and earnings after taking a price increase. A pricing strategy built on averages like flat percentage price increases will almost always underperform. The best thing you can do is to align prices to value and use data to identify pricing power and protect volume where pricing power is weak. All this must be done at a SKU or material line item level. Pricing Insight has developed an approach to solve this complex and challenging problem of taking a strategic price increase. Project Blackbird is a structured price optimization program that generates margin expansion across your product portfolio. It allows your business to move away from cost-plus pricing and close margin gaps, and gives you control over how prices are set, discounted, and enforced. The result is a more stable and predictable levels of earnings certainty and at the same time generating incremental gross margin dollars. Project Blackbird has been implemented in a range of ASX-listed building suppliers, healthcare distributors, and manufacturers, generating on average $4.5 million of incremental EBIT annually for each company. To determine if Project Blackbird will be suitable for your company, book in a call, and I look forward to speaking with you.